As you can tell, this Factor 55 UltraHook is extremely beefy. This is a great piece of T6 6061 aluminum. It's 1.75 inches thick, and you can see that it's machined very well with this red anodized finish on it. There's a lot of markings on here too that are going to help you recover, stay safe. It's got a nice clip right here, as well as the hole for your D-ring shackle. Now the shear pin will come out. This is a titanium shear pin. All you have to do is remove the snap ring on the bottom, and that's how we're going to get it into the clevis end of our synthetic winch line. Drop the titanium shear pin through, and then you are going to need a pair of snap ring pliers to do this. You can find them at your local hardware store. And honestly, if you get one of these Factor 55 UltraHooks, you should keep one in case you have to do maintenance on it. And we'll put that in there. There's a small groove it has to sit in. Make sure it's properly set. Our snap ring is properly seated in there. It's going to hold it into place. Now the last step is to just draw it in there, and I'll let you see what it looks like when it's tied up to the winch fairlead. This Factor 55 UltraHook is properly installed onto the front of my Jeep, and it was super simple to do. It took about 5 minutes, and it looks great on the front end here. As you can see, it's in a candy red. It really shines up the front end of our Jeep, makes it look nice, but the main feature is that it's going to be extra safe when we're recovering off-road. It's got a nice titanium clip down here, as well as the hole for the shackle. This will create that complete closed loop winching system. This pin right here can actually go into this location, locking this clip into place, making this a closed loop system as well. So it's really a double feature, which makes it extremely versatile. This UltraHook is going to be available in some other colors, as well as some other options for the front end of your off-road rig. It's going to create a completely safe winching system and is available right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.